Hello everybody, welcome to High Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 87, a car crash. So first of all, let's learn some new words here. Okay, today's words about the car, especially a car crash. Look at the pictures. Okay, wow. What are they? Here there is a car crash. Okay, musun nima desanlar shariki? Bir mashina hadisi, shunaqa mashinaniki so'qishib ketishi. Andaqda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan ham so'zlarga bir diqqat qilib chiqaylik. Birinchi so'z attendant. Okay, attendant. Kutuvchi, kutuvchi. Attendant. Okay, number 2, bring. Bring. Number 3, garage. Garage. Number 4, crash. Crash. Okay, mashinadan so'qilib ketishi. Lamp post. Lamp post. Chiroq hodisa yoki stolb deymiz. Repair. Repair. Okay, repair deganimiz remote qilmoq. Try. Okay, try. Tirishib boqmoq. O'rnib boqmoq degan gap. Xo'sh, misol shu so'zlarniki tafsilotiga bir diqqat qilaylik, savollar. Okay, look at the picture. In this picture, he's an attendant in a hotel. Okay, attendant. Okay, do you know attendant? Hamda bu odam qanday insonlar mehmonxonada bir qanday insonlar mehmonxonada ishlaydigan kutuvchi ekan. Demak, eshikni oldida, "Oy, marhamat, mehmonxonamizga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Undan keyin siz qayerga borasiz deb qanday insonlar yo'l boshlaydigan. Shuni biz attendant. Attendant degan ism bo'ladi, kutuvchi. Nima deymiz? Attendant. Okay, attendant. Okay, endi attend degan fe'lning ma'nosi qatnashmoq, ishtirok qilmoq degan gap. Attend. For example, go to school, maktabga bormoq, maktabda o'qimoq degan gap. Shunami? We can also say attend school. Okay, attend school. Mushum nima desanlar? Maktabga o'qimoq, bormoq degan gap. Ya'ni attend a meeting. Bu yig'inga qatnashmoq. Attend a meeting. Demak, attending emas, qatnashmoq degan gap. Masalan, attend a wedding. Okay? Amerika wedding deganimiz to'y murosimi. Demak, attend a wedding, to'y murosimiga qanday qilmoq, qatnashmoq. Okay, what about attend a funeral? Okay, in this funeral, motam murosimi yoki dafn murosimi deymiz. Shuning qatnashmoq. Demak, endi bu yerga fe'l bo'lganda attend and attendant bo'lsa, shu kutuvchi. Okay, attendant. Undan keyin Amerika ingliz tilida odatda shu aeroplanga chiqqanda kutuvchini. Uni nima deymiz sana? Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Biz Angliya ingliz tilida air hostess deb bir qatim o'rgangan. Okay, air hostessniki shu aeroxon qiz shunami? Aeroplan kutuvchisi. Yoki nima deymiz Amerika ingliz tilida? Flight attendant. Okay, attendant degan shu dukkan saraylardagi, endi shu kutuvchi odamni nima deymiz? Attendant deymiz. Okay, attend again, qatnashmoq. Okay, next one is bring. All right, bring. Okay, bring. Okay, and the bring deganimiz bir narsani elib kelmak bo'ladi. Demak, boshqa bir yerdan bir yerga elib kelmak bo'lsa bring bo'ladi. Okay, buni o'tgan zaman shakli brought. For example, my father brought me a gift from Urumchi yesterday. Dadam tunikin Urumchidan menga bir sovg'at qanday qilibdi? Ag'ach kelibdi. Brought a gift. Okay. And then what about take? Okay, take. Take deganimiz hamda bir yerdan bir yerga olib bormoq. Undan keyin and then masalan bring something to somebody and bring somebody something deb ishlatamiz. Masalan, don't bring him that knife. Unga u pichoqni qanday qilib bermang? Masalan, you must bring my book tomorrow. Sen chuqum erta meni kitobimni elib olishing kerak. Okay, bring. Bring degan elib bormoq, elib kelmoq degan gap. Take posture, take degan olib bormoq. Mesela my father takes me to school every day. Dadam her günü meni maktabga olib bordi. Mesela kichik bolalarni boshlang'ich maktab bolalarini qanaqa qildi? Maktabga olib bordi. Shuni nima deymiz? Bring deymiz. Okay. Mesela bring me far away. Naqshlarim chiqib meni yiroqlarga olib ket. Bring me men elib bring me far away. Olib ketish. Okay. Bring degan shu olib kelmak. Olib mangmak degandek. Next one is why did you bring me a watch? Okay, siz nima ish qilmagan bir soat olg'ach keldingiz. Why did you bring me a watch? Okay. You know, he brought some friends to his school. Okay, hamda o maktabga, uning maktabiga bir necha do'stlarini qanaqa qildi, olib keldi. You know, brought. Okay, brought a gift bo'lsin nima desanlar. Okay. Shu'laqa. Sovg'a kelmak. What about he brought his sister to attend my wedding? O meniki to'y marosimga o singlisini qanday qildi qatnashishga olib keldi. Ya'ni brought his sister. Demak, endi bu yer brought somebody yoki brought something to somebody yoki brought somebody something yoki brought somebody to some place. Bu o'xshashlar qanday nima desanlar? Shu olib kelmak degan gap. Okay. So don't bring toys to school. Maktabga o'yinchoqlarni qanday qilmang? Olib kelmang. Yoki don't bring cell phones to school. Maktabga qanday qilmang? Telefon olib kelmang. Telefon olib kelmang. Demak, hamda mushlar olib kelmak degan gap. Undan keyin we have brought our son with us to the party. Okay. Biz o'g'limizni bu yig'ilishga yoki choyga qanday qildik? Birga olib keldik. We have brought our son with us to the party. With us to the party. Demak, birinchisi attend. Shunami? Okay, and the take deganimiz elib mangmak, elib ketmak degan gap. Masalan, take somebody something to somewhere. Bir naqshva take me to your heart deydigan. Meni yurgin gap ba. Okay. Take me home bo'lsa meni uyga borang, uyga ketang degandek. Take me home. You know, it took a lot of food to park. I took a lot of food to park. Men baqcha nurg'un qana qildi, yemekliklarni evaldim. Demak, took degan elib bormak. Okay, next one is crush. You know, crush. What is that? You know, crush means, okay, like that. You can see from the picture, you have a crush. So'qilish. Mashinadan bir yoqqa so'qilib ketishini nima deymiz, valla? Shuni a car crash deymiz. Yoki have a crush. You know, have a crush. You know, they have a crush every week. Ular har hafta qanday qiladi? Mashinasini so'qib oladi. They have a crush every week. Demak, hamda bu davomli yuz berib turadigan ishlar. Next one is repair. Okay, repair. Ma so'zni masalan patilsak intayin oson esqa qolgan bo'ldi. Masalan, readingni qayta pair deganimiz nima desanlar? Jub degan gap. Bir narsani qayta jubligan bo'lsanlar, remote qilgan bo'lsa. Adatda nima desanlar, adatda saq narsalar pair bo'ladi, shunami? Jublaglik holatda. Agar buzilib qolsa ko'rsangiz, jupi ajab ketadi. Vaqtini qayta jublab qo'ysangiz, sizlar uni remote qilgan bo'lasizlar. Yoki fix deymiz, fix mishara. Repair. Like, you know, I will repair bicycle. Men velosiped remote qilay. Okay, can you repair this bicycle? Siz bu velosipedni qanday qila olamsizmi? Remote qila olamsizmi? Okay. Demak, endi musharika repair remote qilmoq. Remote qilmoq. Such as, can you repair this car? Siz bu mashinani remote qila olamsiz? Can you repair this car? Can you repair this bicycle? Can you repair this cell phone? Can you repair this television? Degandek. Demak, endi bir jumla shaklini o'rganib olsam, o'sha nurg'un narsa ishlatgan bo'ldi. You know, she looked the motorbike and began to repair it. Okay, endi bir qarab lam qana qildi, remote qilishga boshladi. How can I repair the old car? How can I repair the old car? Men qandaq ko'ni mashinani remont qila olmayman dedi. How can I repair the old car? It will take a while to repair your bike. Okay, it will take a while. Demak, endi take a while. A while degan bir oz vaqt, qisqa bir mezgil, biroz vaqt ketadi dedi. Demak, sizning velosipedingizni remont qilishga ozroq vaqt keladi. Misharika endi take deganimiz endi bir savoqlar. Take somebody some time. Okay, ishonami? Birisning ma'lum vaqtini qanday qilmoq, olmoq bo'ladi. Repair. So I cannot repair car, repair the car. Okay, and I cannot repair car bo'lsa, men nima ish qilolmayman? Mashina remont qilolmayman. I cannot repair bike bo'lsa, men velosiped ana qilolmayman. Remont qilolmayman. Repair. Okay, next one, try. Hey, try. Let's try. Nimishq baqayli, sinab baqayli, o'rnab baqayli. Demak, endi misha try to do something, yoki try doing something degan bir ishni qanday qilib baqash, sinab baqmoq, o'rnab baqmoq degan gap. Okay, masalan, try someone's best to do something. Okay, I try someone's best to do something. Demak, bir odamniki eng kuchini, demakchi, butun kuchi bilan qanday qilish, bir ishni qilish. I tried my best to teach English. Okay, I'm the man. Butun kuchim bilan ingliz tilini o'rganishga tirishdim. Okay, he's trying to move the bookshelf. Okay, and shu kitobchasini yo'tkazishga qanday qilib, urinib qo'yadi, terishib qo'yadi degan gap. Okay, try. They tried hard to repair the damaged car. Okay, and me yerga damaged car, damage deganimiz ham demashadi. Yaralangan, buzilgan. Demak, hamda ular shu buzilib ketgan mashinani remont qilishga qanday qilib qo'yadi, terishib qo'yadi. They tried hard to repair the damaged car. Okay, I'll try that Italian restaurant next time. I'll try that Italian restaurant next time. And we are going to try degan narsa hamda Italian restaurant sinab baqaymiz, ta'min etib baqay degan gap. Let me try. Okay, let's try it. Demak hamda shu ta'min etmoq degan gap. Try your best to finish this work. Demak hamda buni tugatishga butun kuchimiz bilan qanday qilib tirishing. Okay, have a try. Sinab baqish. Endi men have a try degan hamda bir sinab baqish. Okay, have a try. It's a good try. Okay, sinab baqing. U bek yaxshi bir urinish bo'ldi. Okay. Try one's best. Try one's best to do something. Okay. Masalan, try your best. Hey, I'll try my best. Men butun kuchim bilan qanday qilma, tirishma degan gap. Demak, hamda butun kuchim, butun amalning bericha qanday qilma, mishara tirishma, urinib baqma degan gap, try. I want to try my best. Men o'zim butun kuchim bilan tirishib baqimba. Okay, what about I have already tried my best? Zadi men shu qilg'ashning hammani qilib baqdim. Demak, men butun kuchim bilan urinib baqdim. Okay, to try to do something, let's try luck. Try once luck was hamda birsiniki hamda nima talent sinab baqma. I'll try my luck. So look, which word is missing? Musharika. Qaysi so'zni yo'qolib ketib qoldi bolalar? Qaranglar, bring, Mag, lamppost, stolba, crash, machines o'qilish, attendant, repair, okay, and garage, machines qiladi. Nima brought degandek. Xo'sh, hamsa, bugungi so'zli o'rganishimiz o'zimizga bo'lsin. Hamsa tekstga diqqat qilsanglar, savoqlashlar. Tekstga diqqat qilinglar.
Is my car ready yet?
I don't know, sir. What's the number of your car?
It's LFZ 312G.
When did you bring it to us?
I brought it here 3 days ago.
Ah, yes, I remember now.
Have your mechanics finished yet?
No, they're still working on it. Let's go into the garage and have a look at it. Isn't that your car?
Well, it was my car.
Didn't you have a crash?
That's right. I drove it into a lamppost. Can your mechanics repair it?
Well, they're trying to repair it, sir. But to tell you the truth, you need a new car.
All right. Okay, hamsi qaranglar. Mr. Wood debdi. Is my car ready yet? Okay, majmuna qaranglar. Is my car ready yet? Okay, asl shakli my car is ready shunami. Mening mashinam qanday bo'ldi? Tayyor bo'ldi. Is my car ready yet degancha mening mashinam tayyor bo'ldimi? Ani bu yerdagi yet deganimiz texcha, hozircha degan gap. Bu odatda shu savol jumla bilan inkor jumlalari keladi. Yana yozib qo'yinglar hozir kitobni ushbu yerga yet deganimiz savol jumla bilan inkor jumla keldi. Demak, mening mashinam tayyor bo'ldimi? Demakchi, o'ngshab bo'ldimi? degan gap. Is my car ready yet? Mening tamoqim tayyor bo'ldimi? Is my food ready yet? Okay, is my food ready yet? Yoki mening is my breakfast ready yet? Is my lunch ready yet? Okay, degandek. Demakda tayyor bo'ldimi? Yo, is my car ready yet? Okay, is my bike ready yet? Demak, hamda birasi shu remote qildiga berib, hamda shu tayyor bo'ldimi? Agar kompyuterimni o'xshatgan bo'lsam, is my computer ready yet? Is my laptop ready yet? Is my cell phone ready yet? Degandek, bu shu bir jumla. Kunlik turmushning tan ko'p ishlatgan bo'ladi. I don't know, sir. Men uqmayman, efendim. I don't know. No deganimiz bilmak, uqmak. I don't know. Okay, men uqmayman. Men uqmayman, efendim. So what's the number of your car? Demak, what is the number of? Okay, hamda mashinangizning nomeri qanchta? What is the number of your car? Okay, what is the number of your cell phone? And what is the number of your WeChat? WeChat nomeri qancha? Demakchi, undanlarning nomeri qancha degan gap bo'ldi. So, attendant debdilar, attendant shuni kutib olg'ichi hamda. It's LFC. Okay, hamshalik itning ko'rsatayotgani u. Demak, shu mashinaning nomeri shunami? LFZ 312G. Okay, when did you bring it to us, sir? Okay, when did you bring? Siz bu yerga qachon kelgandingiz? Demak, hamda shu mashina nima chiqqan ekan, siz qachon kelgandingiz, shunami? I brought it here 3 days ago. Men 3 kun burun kelgan. Demak, men bu aniq oddiy zaman. O'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtda yuz bergan ish harakat. Okay, I brought it here 3 days ago. Men 3 kun burun qanaqa? Oh, yes, I remember now. Oh, hamda ism keldi. Okay. Hamda men remember deganimiz bu shara hamda shu as saqlamoq, esda qolmoq. Okay, masalan, can you remember me? Men esingizdami? Hali 10 yil burun ko'rishgan-ku biz, shunami? And the master, remember me to your mother. Okay, meni apangizga aslatib qo'ying. Yoki meni aslab qo'ying degan gap, apangizga salom aytib qo'ying. Remember me to your mother. Remember me to your father degan gap. So can you remember? Okay, it's me. Okay, I remember now. I'm this keldi. So have you mechanics finished yet? Okay, I'm the mechanic yet yana keldi shunami? Savol jumlaga. Have you mechanics finished it? Tugitib bo'ldimi? Agar tugitib bo'lgan bo'lsa qanday desam, mashina chaqirib keldi shunami? Hozir bir natijani ish bo'laydi. Demak, sizniki remotechilaringiz remote qilib bo'ldimi? So no, they are still working on it. Ya, tex ular qanday shuning ustida working on it. Demak, hamda work on somebody degan shu ma'lum bir ishni qanday qilmoq, shug'ullanmoq yoki shu ma'lum ishni qilish. Demakchi, ular texcha ishlayapti. Demak, texcha yasayapti mashinani. They are still working on it. Working on it. And they are still degan bu nima texcha degan gap. Bu odatda nima desanglar, mana shunga o'xshash bo'lishliq jumlalarda still keladi. Okay, ma yetmi nima desanglar texcha degan gap hamda buning ishlatilishi inkor jumlalar bilan shu savol jumlalar keladi. Masalan, abay chiqqan is my car ready yet? Have your mechanics finished yet? Degandek. Demak, hamda shular shu nimaninki intay muhim bo'lgan nuqtalar So they are still working on. Ular tek chiqqanlar insanlar ishlayotdi. Let's go into the garage and okay, have a look at it. Okay, let's go into the garage. Kiraylik, then have a look at it. And the merk o'ttirib endi qo'yapti. Bu endi degan nima desanglar, odatda shu bir oddiy ikki jumlani biriktirib bir jumla qilishni ishlatildi xolos. Demakchi, kirib ko'raylik. Birga ham mana kirgandan keyin mana qilaylik degan gap bo'lsa, hamda shu emniyat mashqi jumla let's go into the garage and then let's have a look at it. And yana ko'rib boqaylik. Demakchi, mana ikki oddiy jumla, masalan, let's deganni qisqartib bersakmi, bir jumla qilib berdi bizga. Buning o'xshash jumla ilgari intayin ko'p bo'lgan. Masalan, give me my coat and my umbrella, please. And my coat and my umbrella, please. Deb bilan give me ilgari qisqarib ketgan. Demak, endi o'xshashdan boshdan o'xshash ikki buyruq jumlani, ikki oddiy jumlani bir jumla qilishda bu keyin o'ttirg'i and deganni ulash orqali bu ikkisi logik jihatdan nima desanglar bir jumla bo'ldi. Kirib, ondan qanaqa qilaylik, uni bir qarab boqaylik. Let's go into the garage and have a look at it. Have a look at it. Okay. Misal sinfga kirib dars anglaylik deganicha, let's go into the classroom and have a lesson. Okay, have a lesson. Degan gap shara, dars anglaylik degan gap. So isn't that your car? Okay. Endi ma'ni ma'risanglar savol emas, inkor savol jumla. Shunami? Savol jumlalar emas, hamda shara. Isn't that your car? O mashina sizning emasmi? Degan gap hamda o mashina sizningmi degan bo'lsa bu savol bo'lib tushunami? O mashina sizning emasmi? Emasmi degani hamda bu. O mashina sizning qo'ymish o degan gap shu. Masalan uyg'urchadan baqo, biz ta'ni qilib apa men sening balang emasmi? Demak endi men sening balang deb qo'ya demek uchun balanga o'xshamaydigan ish qilsa degan gap. Masalan, esa o'quvchi emasmi? Demak u albatta o'quvchi. O'quvchi emasmi degan gap, sen o'quvchi turib bu shunday qilamsa degan gap. O siz qiz bola emasmi, o'g'il emasmi degandekcha. Shu mandaq emasmi? Inkor savol jumla amaliyati shuningki, nima dersanglar, nah shuningki, bo'lishliq shaklini bildirdi. Demakchi, u sizning mashinangiz emasmi degan gap, voy, u sizning mashinangiz-ku mana. Adab texnimi bir kuchabrak ifodalab bermoqchi. Well, it was my car. Okay, endi bu yerga was degan yanto yozildi. It was my car. Uni urg'uliq deyiladi. Bu nima? U mashining mashinami edi. Demak, hozir u setibetda buningga? Ya. Endi bu yerda u mening mashinam edi degan o'tgan zamonda ishlatishga sabab hamda u ilgari mening mashinamda bichara mashinam hozir rahmatli ko'p ketdi. Demakchi, endi hozir buzilib bir mashina shaklida emas bir xil bir mashina emasdek bir narsa bo'lib qoldi. Hozir mashina o'xshamaydigan bo'lib qoldi demakchi. Demak, endi odatda masalan shu o'tgan zamonda yuz bergan ishlarga masalan odam deb ishlasak, masalan he was a nice person, u bek yaxshi odam edi. Demak, endi bu yaxshi odam edi degan gap endi hozir u odam yo'q, o'lib ketdi, rahmatli bo'lib ketdi degandan derak berdi. Endi shu yerga was my car, u mening mashinam edi degan gapi, u hozir u mashina emas balki nima desanglar, bir nayta obrazli qoldi, chipaldi shu mening mashinam edi degan endi shu. Hozir bir mashinamga o'xshamay qoldi, bek buzilib ketibdi degan gap. So, didn't you have a crush? Okay. Voy siz shu bir mashina suqlash bo'ldimi? Demak, shunday bo'pti-ku degan gapda hamda. That's right, I drove it into a lamppost. And drove into something degan shu bir asliqada oldicha qalla qo'ymoq, usmak degan gap. Demak, men aytibman. Shu chiroqni hadisiga qo'yapman. So can your mechanics repair it? Sizning mexaniklaringiz buni remote qila olamdi? So can your mechanics repair it? Can your? Okay, this well, they are trying to repair it, sir. Okay, alhamdulillah. Shu remote qilishga tirishyapti-da, urinyapti-da. But to tell you the truth, okay, I'm going to tell you the truth deganimiz, rost gapni qilganda, you need a new car. Siz yangi bir mashinaga ehtiyojliq. You need a new car. Siz yangi bir mashinaga ehtiyojliq. Demak, endi bichara demak endi o'ngshayolmaydi. Demak, endi o'sha remotechilik o'ngshayolmagandan axtan qattiq so'qilib shundami? Axtan u degandek, yeah, it was my car. U mening mashinam edi deyishga loyiqga. Xo'sh, hamsa o'zingning kitobi qarag'ash hamda abay o'rganganimizga asosan shu jumlalarning qaysi to'g'ri, qaysi xatoligini bir hukm qilib boqaylik. If it's true, you can say true. Okay, men terib qo'ysam, agar bu jumla tekstning mazmuni uyg'un bo'lsa true ni to'g'ri degan gap. Uyg'un bo'lmasa xato bo'lib qolsa false ni qo'yamiz. Number 1. Mr. Wood's car isn't ready. Yes or no? True or false? Yeah, of course, true, right? The number of his car is LFC 321G. What is that? It's false, right? Okay, I'm the mishadike. Number 3. Mr. Wood brought his car to the garage 3 weeks ago. Is that 3 weeks ago? No, it's 3 days ago. So, Mr. Wood drove his car into a tree. What? It's a lamppost. It's not a tree, right? Number 5. Mr. Wood doesn't need a new car. So, is that? Doesn't need a new car? Really? Okay, no. Actually, he needs a new car. Lazım. So today's key sentence and the mush jumlalarni qanday sanlar cho'qim kitoblarga sızib qo'yalım balla. Mush jumla bizniki mush bugun text kinta o'yin muqlamasan is my car ready? Okay. Demek ham is my car ready yet mush kenigini ishlatamiz sanlar yet ni ishlatamiz. Bular mashtu meni textchinim bo'ldimi? İnkar jumla bilan savol jumlada nima keldi? Yet. Is my car ready yet? Not yet. Or yaqtexe. So what's the number of, okay, what's the number of the night? So what's the number of your phone number? What's the number of your phone? What's the number of your WeChat? What's the number of your QQ? What's the number of your house? So I brought it here 3 days ago. Okay, maybe okay, I'm going to okay, next, have your mechanics finished yet? Send them answer. Send them answer. Demek hem de bu şu bir yerde adli yazıpsam ötken zaman send them answer'na ait köp şunama. So let's go into the garage. Kirayli. So didn't you have a crash? Siz maşını sokup etmegensiz degendek. I drove it into a lamppost. And the drove somebody into manınga bolsa, nakşununga berip, anaqlish, üsüvelish, sokuvelish, degan bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa abay o'rganganlarimizni bir amaliy mashqda ishlatib boqaylik. Number 1. Where is Frank now? His bike in the yard. Oy, Frank nerede desa, u velosipedini o'ylada qanday qilyapti? Okay, hamda ma'lum emasam, Frank now desa hozir mana. Demakchi hamda o'yla shu hozir bulayotgan ish shunami? Demak, he's fixing up his bike in the yard. Fixing up. Abay so'zlaganda bolalar repair deganimiz remote qilmoq shunami? American ingliz tili yana fix mi deb qo'ygan. Yoki he's repairing his bike in the yard. U o'ylada velosipedini remote qilyapti. He's fixing up his bike in the yard. Okay, number 2. I borrow your MP3. Sure, here you are. Okay, and me, okay. Name is may I, must I, would I, should I? Okay, may I. Can I borrow your MP3? Men asamblamda. And buningda texamanda texamo. Asiliq raqam may I. Demak ham sizning MP3-ingizni aritga asam bo'lamdi. May I borrow your MP3? May I borrow your book? Okay, sizning kitobingizni aritga asam bo'lamdi. Borrow degan aritga mak, bu lend bo'yicha birisi aritga bermak. Okay. Next. My cousin has changed a lot. She used to be blah blah blah blah blah, but now he's told, meaning cousin. Cousin qanday sanlar nurg'un o'zgarish bo'ldi. U qanday sanlar ilgari mandati lekin hozir izlab ketiradi. Demakki, hozir egizlab ketibdi demekçi. U ilgari manda demek used to deganimiz ilgari davomli qilganlik hozir qilmaydigan. Demek hamda used to be what short. Okay, hozir egiz bo'lgandan ilgari pakat demekçi, tushunami? Hozir nima desam short. Number 4, don't forget to me a book. Okay, don't forget to what? Nimani unutib qolmang? Okay, bring me a book. Men bir kitob olib kelishni unutib qolmang. Demek bir yerdan birdan akkilish bo'lsa bring, birdan bir narsani bir yerga olib borish bo'lsa take deymiz, tushunami? Number 5, let's chat online. Let's chat online. To'g'rida paranglashaylik. Nima? It's a good idea. Oybek yaxshi gap bo'ldi, yaxshi fikr bo'ldi, yaxshi o'yi bo'ldi degan gap. It's a good idea, right? So number 6, who can go outside and meal with me? Okay, and you have to buy a meal, and share a meal, you have to cook a meal, you have to have a meal. Where you need to go? Okay, have a meal. Arada tamaklarni aldığı, have kesa. Naqshini qandaq yemak degan gap bo'ldi. Have a meal with me. Okay. Endi mushariki berilgan verbningki o'lchamlik shaklini qo'yib qo'yamiz arkadaşlar. Masalan, remember me some medicine. You know, remember to bring me some medicine. Endi me yara to do. Ma pil bo'lgan kichik pillargizmi bir yerga kelishga bo'lmaydi. Faqat o'tirga to, ma birisi aniqsizlik bo'lgan holat bo'ldi. Masalan, remember to bring me some medicine. Mana azroq do'rag'ach kelishni qanday qilib qolman? Unutib qolman. Esingizda bo'lsin degan gap bo'ldi. Shu do'rib kelishni qanday qilib qolman? Unutib qolman. Number 2, there are a number of in a classroom. Okay, and there are a number of sanog'ini bo'ldigan bo'lgandan keyin ya'ni masalan students, ular bir necha qanday desanglar, o'quvchilar bor darsxonada. Students, there are only ko'plik keldi. Yana the works in a garage. Okay, and me attend bulamda attendant bu. Albatta nima desanglar attendant. Adam shunami? Bu yerda me works bo'lganki ishlaydi, nima? O bir mashina remote xonada qanday qildi ishlaydi. The girl attendant works in a garage. Yana har qanday bu shirkatda ishlaydi, nima? Attendant degan shu kutuvag'acha. Okay, number 4, his watch is what? His watch is lost. Yutib ketdi. His watch is lost. So, exercise, you know, I'm sorry, I forgot the letter. I forgot the what? You know, I forgot to post. I forgot to tell him the news the other day. Aldan kuni qanday desang, o xabarni ona yetkizib qo'yishni deb qo'yishni qanday qilib unutib qoldim. Demak, hamda boldim sharikka ikki tal pil kelgan o'tirga tuni qo'ysaqlam bo'ldi. Masalan, forgot to tell, you know, try to get degandek. You know, I'll try to get there before sunset. Okay. Qo'yash betishdan burun hamda men berishga tirishim. Get there. Men yetib berishim qanday qilaman? Tirishim dedi. I try to do. Try to do something. You know, why not try knock at back door? And I try to knock. Shnama? Nimishqim bu keynishkin jik bakmaymiz. Why not try to knock at the back door? Nima uchun hamda shu keynish anaqa qilmay chekishni sinab bakmaymiz edi. Bo'lsa arkadaşlar, hamda bugungi darsimiz mushak bo'lsin, shu mashqlarni xila ko'p ishlarni deb qarayman. Bularmi bizniki shu videoda so'zlagan shu muhim bo'lgan nuqtalarga kitoblarni sizib olib başninki. Muhim bo'lgan tushunchalarni bir xotir qoldirsanglar, xotir qoldirib, shu tekstni cho'qim yodlab o'tinglar. Chunki sizlarning bir tekstni yodlaganinglar, shu 10 tekst menda o'rganganinglar yaxshi. Bu deganim hamda bu nima desanglar, xuddi shu til o'rganishni badanchani qilishga o'xshaydi-ku. Sizlar shuni menda bilib qo'ysanglar bo'lmaydi. Badanchani qilganda, menda chini qilamiz, mancha soat chini qilamiz, menda nima ishda shu bilishdan nazariyasini bilishdan emas, yana birga nima desang, cho'qim bir amaliy harakat qilish kerak. Masalan, chiniq badan shaklini o'zgartirish uchun hamda shuningki videoni ko'rganinglar ham kifoya qilmaydi. Yana qanday qilishlar eng muhimi shu instruction deb ko'rsatmalarga asosan o'zimiz har kuni sistemlik mashq qilishimiz kerak. Shularga sizlarning tilinglarmi badanchani to'g'anga o'xshash mashq qilishga muhtoj. Sizlar mush tekstni yodlagan vaqtida nurg'un ingliz gap qilisizlar, Hem üzerinin gipini üzerinin anlayışlar. Muş vaqtda hem sizlarning eg'zinglar, hem sizlarning anglishinglar o'xshashdan mashq qilgan gap. Şuna şu yatlaganda birga ichingli yatlamanglar, ovozingni qo'yitib, ullik yatlanglar. Bu ko'p ullik o'qib turanglar. Bu tekstdagi eng muhim narsa şu ullik o'qib mashq qilish. Sizlar tarjim qilishga oldirib ketmanglar. Bunun tafsiloti qiziqsanglar, meningki şu o'rganish usulini chiqarib ep qo'ydik video shaklida. Ingliz tili o'rganish usulida bir qator videolarni shuningdan bir ko'rib, texnik ko'p tafsilotga erishsanglar. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.